Hey there, Smartsheet enthusiasts. Welcome back to our tutorial series, where we break down essential features to make your workflow smoother. Today, in episode 103, we're tackling how to adjust row height in Smartsheet 2025. Whether you're dealing with bulky text, images, or just want your sheets to look more professional, adjusting row height is a game changer for better visibility and organization. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Smartsheet account and have the sheet open that you want to edit. It's that simple. Head over to the grid view where your data lives. Now, to adjust a row's height, start by selecting the row you need. Just click on the row number on the left-hand side. If you want to adjust multiple rows at once, hold down the Shift key and select Arrange. This saves time if you're working on a larger project. Once your row or rows are selected, look for the row height options. In Smartsheet 2025, you can either use the quick drag method or go through the menu. For the drag method, hover over the bottom border of the selected row until you see the resize cursor. It looks like a double-headed arrow. Click and drag up or down to your desired height. It's intuitive and gives you precise control. If you prefer the menu route, right-click on the selected row, and from the context menu, choose Row Height. This opens a dialog box where you can enter a specific pixel value, like 50 or 100 pixels, depending on your needs. Pro tip: if you're adjusting heights frequently, check out Smartsheet settings for any custom defaults or keyboard shortcuts that might speed things up. Also, watch out for common pitfalls, like accidentally resizing columns instead of rows. Always double-check your selection to avoid frustration. And there you have it. Adjusting row height in Smartsheet 2025 is straightforward and can make your sheets way more readable. Give it a try on your next project and see the difference. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.